Well, let's talk about the biggest problem, the biggest reason of so many people being depressed, so many people being stressed, so many people not being happy about themselves. Well, the biggest reason, the biggest problem is that we have stopped loving ourselves. We stopped loving ourselves. And why did we stop loving ourselves? Why do we hate ourselves? Because of so many bad things that we have in us. Well, let me tell you a few easy tips, few easy things that you can do to start falling in love with yourself once again. Well, if you don't love yourself, well, if you hate yourself, then you need to do these things. You need to know these things. Well, what are the things that you hate about yourself? Trust me, I was said that when I was a kid, people said me that I was dumb, I was idiot, I was not good for anything, I cannot do anything out of my life. I'll always be dependent on somebody, and so many bad things. And I remember one more thing that I was always said to me, that I was an introvert. And these are the reasons that I hate myself. These are the reasons why I hate myself, because I think that I'm not good for anything, because I think that I'm so dumb, I think that I'm an introvert, I think that I cannot go out and communicate, I think that I cannot be successful, I think that I cannot make money. Well, these are the reasons why I hate myself. Now, who said these things to me? Did I discover it myself about me? Or did somebody put it in my mind since my childhood? Well, if this was not something that you discovered for yourself, but it was said by somebody since your childhood to you, then you need to figure these out. These are the reasons of you hating yourself. And these are not really true. They are not necessarily true. So list those things out, the reasons why you think you hate yourself, and then in the next column, write who said these things to you. If you try to recall a little bit of it, if you make your subconscious mind work a little bit, you will find out that this was not something that you discovered for yourself. No matter how deep it is within you, it was something, or it is something that has been said to you by somebody, but not you. No matter how close they are to you, no matter how close they were to you, it could be your parents, it could be your teachers, it could be your neighbors, it could be your friends, it could be your siblings, it could be anybody. No matter how close they were, but if this is not something that you discovered for yourself and it was said by somebody else, then that is not true. That is not true. There are in the highest probability that it is not true. So when something is not true, why do you hate yourself for that? Stop hating yourself for those things. Start loving yourself for the things that you have done. Find out. Now list out the things that you have achieved. Find out or list out the things that you have been successful with. List out the things that you are good with. And you know you are good with. You know you have been successful with it. You know that you have done good things. List those things out. And the moment you do this, you will start loving yourself again. You will fall in love with yourself once again. Try this out.